Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the TikTok video under review problem. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure to log in or sign up to your account. Now, go to the Profile tab at the bottom bar. In the top right corner, tap the three bars icon. Then select the Settings and Privacy option in the pop-up menu. Scroll down to reach and tap Report a Problem. Now tap Feed and Playback and select Playing Videos in further options. After that, choose the problem such as video lagging while playing or video not playing. Follow the on-screen instructions to resolve the issue. If the issue is not resolved, tap No and then Need more help. Lastly, report a problem that your video is under review and ask them to resolve this issue as soon as possible. They will respond in a few days and fix your issue. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.